So here I am in what a sample parent screen would look like actually online. So we talked about what the app would look like, but here's what it would look like online. So even though my name is Mary Beth Priest and I'm the parent, the child here for this case is Mary Beth Priest, which is right here. Mrs. Priest, the teacher, wrote on Mary Beth's story. Mary Beth is having a great day today, and as a parent, I can go through and I can like that, or I can go ahead and I can write something back. It will come up with commenting guidelines. We want to make it sure we're keeping it positive. We want to celebrate together. Personal question or concern, send a message. So if you have a concern, that's more in the message. If you want it to go on the wall, then that's going to stay so we can see that. So I'm going to click OK, got it, and say, I am also proud of her hard work when she is completing her, completing her homework. And as you can see, it does spell check as well. And then I can go ahead and I click enter, and then it posts there, and then it will be notified on the teacher screen. And also you can see where it's got where it says to get the app. Now if you have multiple students, you can go through and there'll be an area where you can add your other students. Another part that this is the messaging section. This student is connected to a PD session, so I wasn't actually able to message, but this is where you would go through a message. Over here, this is your screen where you can go to your account settings, your first and last name, your email address, and then this is really amazing. This is where you can go through and you can change what language you want the messages to come to you in, and it will translate it into all of these languages. So you could go through and do that as well. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go back in, look at the account settings again. This is also where you would have your kids if you had multiple children that had ClassDojo.